Hi there, everybody. Caitlin McDonald here with the Social Speak Network, and today we're going to be doing a little Enfold Theme tutorial on some of the options that you have within your menu, specifically how to add the social media icons to your menu and how to add or remove the search feature in your menu. So these are just two common items that we have found a lot of folks are, I guess, a little bit particular about. So these are the easy steps to adjust those. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so these items are all within the Enfold Theme options. If you click on Main Menu, here you can see this append search icon to Main Menu. By default, this is checked, so it does appear. Let me show you what this looks like. And this is the same site that we have been doing the work on with moving the header to the center and stuff like that. So it does append just the search here if you need that. That's great if you have a lot of blog posts or a lot of pages and a lot of resources. We found for smaller sites, most individuals are not utilizing it as long as it's easy to navigate from page to page. Within here, you can also set a different menu to use for mobile. Maybe you don't want nested pages or you want to just have a couple of items in there. That can be really helpful for mobile functionality as well. Then the next one is the social media icons that we see a lot of people. And so here, this is within the extra elements tab of the header settings. And so first you need to add your social profiles. That's just one of these other options here in the Enfold Theme settings. But once you've added those, then you can have them appear in the header. You can have them either appear in the top bar, which is that thin bar that some sites have across the top that might have extra things like phone number or extra info. Sometimes we put an extra menu up there for sub pages that we want to have easily accessible. So you can have your social media icons appear up there, or you can have them appear in the main header area. And here is an example of those social media icons appearing in the main header area. Other items that are in this menu, I didn't mention this before, but the sticky header. So if you want to scroll down and have your header still appear at the top of the page, you can put that happen here as well. So I'm just going to click Save Changes. And if this short tutorial has been helpful for you, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, if you have any other questions, please just write them as a comment down below. Happy to create more videos, quick little videos like this, as we are in the Enfold Theme multiple times a day. All right, thanks so much and have a good one.